The Sonim XP10 isn't your typical smartphone. This rugged device is built tough to withstand the rigors of work and play in the harshest environments. With military-grade durability and a fully waterproof design, the XP10 can take abuse that would destroy a normal phone. The XP10 features a thick protective casing and rubberized exterior that shields the inner components. It meets MIL-STD at&t standards, meaning it can survive drops, shocks, vibrations, extreme temperatures, and more. Specifically, we subjected the phone to stress tests, including repeated 6-foot drops onto concrete. The phone also boasts an IP68 rating for protection against dust and water immersion. I dunked it in a bucket of water for 30 minutes with no issues afterwards. To provide further peace of mind, Sonim offers a 3-year comprehensive warranty that covers damage, an unusually generous policy for smartphones. With its thick protective rubber and plastic casing surrounding a metal inner frame, the XP10 feels utterly solid in hand. You can use it worry-free in the most demanding environments. In our testing, the XP10 performed well for voice calls with clear audio through the earpiece and speaker. Volume peaks at respectable levels, 71.9 dB on the earpiece and 87.5 dB from the speaker. A dedicated push-to-talk button makes walkie-talkie style communication easy for work sites. The XP10's PTT capabilities allow quick voice contact with coworkers when a phone call isn't convenient. Integrated front-firing stereo speakers allow the XP10 to pump out loud audio. Music sounds quite good through the dual speakers, and the built-in 100 dB siren easily gets your attention even in noisy outdoor or industrial environments. Since there's no headphone jack, you'll need to connect Bluetooth headphones wirelessly. However, the audio quality over Bluetooth sounded excellent in our testing. The XP10's 5.5-inch 1080p LCD display delivers sharp, vivid images even outdoors thanks to a maximum 500 nit brightness. With Gorilla Glass Victus shielding the screen, you don't have to worry much about scratches either. Wide viewing angles make the display easy to see whether you're wearing gloves or working in direct sunlight. It's not as sleek and crisp as an OLED panel, but for this type of rugged device, the XP10 screen looks fantastic. Despite its rugged exterior, the Sonim XP10 packs helpful smart features: 5.5-inch HD display with Gorilla Glass Victus, octa-core Snapdragon 480 processor and 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, plus a micro SD expansion, dual rear cameras, 50-megapixel main and 8-megapixel wide, 8-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls, 5G and Wi-Fi 5 connectivity, IP68 waterproofing and wireless charging, dual SIM slots, and dedicated GPS. The interface runs a clean build of Android 12 that should be familiar to most users. Sonim pledges security updates through 2025 and one Android version upgrade to Android 13. The XP10's ruggedness necessitates some trade-offs compared to mainstream smartphones. It's thicker and heavier than typical phones at 16mm thick and 11 ounces. The dated Snapdragon 480 chip provides merely adequate performance, disappointing speeds on 5G networks in our testing, maximum 1080p video recording, no 4K option, charging is limited to 18-watt wired with no ultra-fast charging. The Snapdragon 480 and 6GB RAM deliver unexpectedly unimpressive benchmark scores compared to top-tier phones, but for everyday tasks and industrial applications, we found the XP10 responsive enough during real-world use. Battery life is decent at around 11 hours of video streaming over Wi-Fi, but not outstanding versus leading phones. Charging the 5000 mAh battery takes about 2 hours with the included 18-watt adapter. The cameras deliver good photos and 1080p video for this device class, although image quality falls short of premium camera phones as expected, but they suffice for documenting work sites and outdoor adventures. Despite the trade-offs, the XP10 succeeds in its primary mission, providing robust connectivity and useful features in an extremely durable package. For industrial applications and outdoor activities with drops, shocks, and water exposure, the rugged design is a major asset. Considering its rugged design meeting MIL-STD at&t standards, the Sonim XP10 provides good value at around $500. More expensive rugged phones can cost $700 or more. For the money, you get an IP68 rated phone able to withstand tremendous abuse along with modern connectivity and productivity features. The 3-year comprehensive warranty provides extra peace of mind. The XP10 costs significantly less than the top-tier flagship phones while offering greater resilience. For industrial and outdoor applications where durability is a must, it's an attractive option at this price point. For occupations and adventures where drops, water, dust, shocks, and vibrations are given, the Sonim XP10 provides reliable connectivity and smart features in a virtually indestructible package. It may not win any speed tests, but this rugged Sonim smartphone earns top marks for resilience and durability. When failure isn't an option, the XP10 delivers.